friends and welcome to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with an unboxing. This time I will have a limited edition box from Look Fantastic. It's the Mother's Day limited edition box collection. Before going into this unboxing, I want to say Happy Mother's Day to my dear friends in Romania and also other countries that are celebrating Mother's Day today as March 8th. Here in US we celebrate always in the second Sunday of May, which this year is gonna be May 10th. Anyway, happy Mother's Day in advance to all of you, and today especially for my friends in Romania. Good for me, I'm celebrating twice. So let's see what Look Fantastic has for this box. Before going into the unboxing, I want to say a special thank you to my dear friend Heba for letting me know about this box and the coupon code that allowed me to get the box with a better price. Anyway, thank you so much, Heba. You're wonderful as always. As you can see, the box is gorgeous. I love Look Fantastic and I love the packaging. Every time they come up with such a great box. I still have the last year one, which was another very cute one, like a butter color with a bow. Really nice. I always keep their boxes. So I will leave in the description box. I hope the coupon it still work. I will leave the coupon and the link to their website. I hope the box is still available. I'm filming this on March 8th, but I bought this box in February, at the end of February. I will leave the information and I hope this is still available. It seems like Fantastic, it's early this year with their limited edition box. So let's see what we have in here. So far I love the color of the box. I think it's really springy, and also the shape. So let's see what we have in here. And the box looks like this on top. Beautiful packaging as always. And it says here something smells really nice and strong. To the world they are your mother, to you they are the world. So here is always something from Fantastic, and here is the box inside. It's full with goodies, and let's see what we have here. We have a card. So here is the card, and I will tell you a couple details. It's a Fantastic Mother's Day collection. Thank you, Mom, for everything she's done with the ultimate pampering Mother's Day gift. The Look Fantastic Mother's Day collection is filled with 7 luxury beauty products combining skincare, body care and makeup for a gift she'll never forget. So let's see. I will pick up random the products. It seems like something is leaking in my box because it's very sticky, and of course I don't have any wipe here. Anyway, the first product in here is from Neom Organics London. Filled it's a candle actually, sent to boost your energy. It's a full-size candle. And about this one, where is this one? This one is 32 pounds, which is around $40. This is Feel Refresh scented candle, 1 week. Part of Neom scent, the boost your energy range. The Feel Refreshed scent combines 24 essential oils, including Sicilian lemon and fresh basil, to invigorate the body and sharpen the mind. Created with natural wax with up to 36 hours of burn time. This Neom candle is sure to make your mind and body feel energized and your home smell wonderful. I had a candle like this in an advent calendar probably last year or 2 years ago in a smaller size. Smells so strong and has that herbal scent, but it's a nice one. So here is a candle, which I cannot be more than happy. I love to get candles in beauty boxes. So that's one product. The next one in here, it's from Jurlique, and this one is Nutri-Define Supreme Eye Contour Balm, which is this one. About this one, Jurlic Nutri-Define Supreme Eye Contour Balm 15 milliliters worth 61 pounds, which is probably around $70. Specially formulated to improve the appearance of lines, crow's feet, and dark circles, this highly concentrated Jurlic Eye Balm defines luxury beauty. Powerful botanical ingredients such as blue algae, horseradish, and peppermint leaf extracts deliver effective results. With regular use, your eye area will look more lifted, toned, and luminous. So we have an eye cream here. I love Jurlic. The essence, it's one of my favorite. We have a huge box, and I don't get the waste of the product, but anyway, we have this one, and I think this is a full size. I believe it's the full size. Yes, it's 0.5 ounce, which is the standard size. So we have an eye cream in here and a very cute tiny applicator. So this is from Jurlic. Let's see what other goodies we have in here. We have another big box, and this one is from Aurelia Probiotic Skincare Miracle Cleanser with chamomile, eucalyptus, rosemary, and bergamot. Everything is fresh and natural. 120 milliliters, which is 4 fluid ounce. And about this one, this is 42 pounds, which is around $50. Gliding effortlessly over the skin, this gentle cleanser works to lift away dirt and impurities to reveal a clean, luminous complexion. Bennett massage over the dry skin to see makeup melt away and remove using antibacterial muslin cloth included for gentle exfoliation. So we have a full size cleansing balm, and let's see how this looks. Here is the cloth, and I love when they include the cloth also, and most of the cleansing balms are coming with that. Let's see how this one looks. It's a big jar, and actually it's not a balm, it's a cream. As far I know, it's a great brand. I tried their products from boxes that were coming from UK, so I love the brand. Then we have in here, we have something from Espa, and this time we got the Inner Beauty, Natural Beauty Inner Calm Optimal Skin Pro Serum, Intense Nourishment from Radiant Skin. I tried this serum before and I like it. This one is 51 pounds. In dollars probably is around 55 or so. If I will find the price in US dollars, I will leave it on the screen, and also I will tell you the total for this box, the value. So about this one, for the ultimate skin radiance, look no further than this Espa serum, intensely nourishing and infused with an abundance of ingredients to hydrate and enhance your skin. Ecum, not so sure about that. Oil and sunflower concentrates replenish, white lupin smooths, and turmeric brings a natural radiance to your complexion. So we have a face oil, another product in the full size. Then something else that it's wet here, and this is a product from Filorga, the filler absolute wrinkle correction cream. I thought it's the Meso Mask. We got that one so often in boxes. Anyway, this one is 18 pounds, over 18 pounds, years or in 15 milliliters. Years of anti-aging research has ensured that regular use of this Filorga cream reduces the appearance of wrinkles for a more revitalized and younger looking complexion. Formulated with tripeptide, an amino acid that works to rebuild deteriorating skin, and hyaluronic acid to deliver deep hydration. This cream brings both instant and long-term results. So a face cream. Then we have in here probably one or two more products. and seems like this guy is open. I don't know if you can see the leakage on this one, but anyway the top is open, and also the lid. So some of the product is in the box, but anyway, this one is Indulge from Cowshed, Blissful Bath and Shower Gel Divine, with essential oils of ylang ylang, rose and palmarosa, 300 milliliters. And this one is 22 pounds. Madagascar ylang ylang, Moroccan rose and Indian palmarosa combined for an uplifting scent in this Cowshed bath and shower gel, which gently and effectively cleanses and nourishes skin for a luxurious bathing experience. French lavender and linden blossom create a romantic, feminine and soothing effect that lather over your body in a truly indulgent experience. So a full-size shower gel. And looks like we have one more product in here. I love the box. We have from Delilacs, and I remember those sample lipstick that we used to get in many boxes. This is Color Intense Cream Lipstick in a full size, of course, which is cruelty free and vegan. And about this one, 24 pounds. The shade of this is Flirt. Get an intense pigment in just one swipe with the Delilac lipstick, specially formulated to bring a matte finish, still feeling soft and creamy on the lips, providing a natural pop of color that will last for hours. I remember the reds from this brand. Here is the lipstick, and let's see what's the color for this one. I think it's a color for everybody. It's a nude, which I am happy to get. It's a color that everybody can wear every day or with any occasion. It's a pretty nice color and it's very creamy and also shiny. So here is the last product in the Mother's Day limited edition box from Look Fantastic. I always prefer to buy limited edition boxes. That's the reason, one of the reasons that I cancel most of my subscriptions. But anyway, I think it's a good box. I bought mine box with around $63 with the coupon. As I told you, I will leave the information in the description box in case you wanna check this one for you or for somebody else. But anyway, so far I think it's a great box. I will leave the approximate total on the screen and the value of each product. Let me know what do you think about this box. Thank you so much for stopping by. I will see you guys with another video soon. I hope you'll have a wonderful Mother's Day today or later. That's kind of all for now. Have a wonderful day or night. Bye bye.